everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Binance phone number. If you've recently bought a new SIM card or you've changed your phone number and you'd like to update that on your Binance account, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's get started. Open up a web browser of your choice. Go to the web address bar at the top of the screen and type in www.binance.com and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you end up in the main homepage of Binance, go to the profile icon at the upper right hand corner and hover over to that. In the expanded menu, click on Security. In the Security tab, scroll down to Phone Number Verification and click on the Change button. If you want to change your phone verification, you'll need to click on the Confirm button in the pop-up. It says that if you move forward, withdrawals, P2P sellings, and payment services will be disabled for the next 24 hours. Once you click Confirm, on the next page, type in your new phone number that you're trying to change to. Once you type it in, click on Get Code. You'll receive a phone number verification code sent to your new mobile number. Type in the verification code into the text field. Now, go to the next field where it says Email Verification Code and click on Get Code. Soon after you do that, you'll receive an email verification code into the email address that is registered with Binance. Simply type in the code into the text box. Now, you'll need to verify with your old phone number in order to make the changes on your Binance account. Click on Get Code right next to the last text box and you'll receive a verification code sent to your old mobile number. Type in the verification code and finally click on the Submit button beneath in yellow. Once you do that, you'll be able to change your phone number on Binance. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.